Okay. I'm off for about a 5 kilometre ride, maybe 5.5, to the bicycle shop where I got 2 new tyres and tubes a few days ago. I was in Old Town at night, 9:30, coming back, and as I left Old Town, I realised I had a flat tyre. Now I'm just going to take a picture. No, I'm not. I'm going to keep going. Yeah, so I managed to get back, inflate the tyre at a resort there, and but it was flat again by the time I got back. No one's looking here, and oh, I see. And it was a tube problem. So the next day I took the tyres off the bike, got a grab taxi, and went to the bike shop that I knew of on the other side of town here in Hoi An, where I originally brought my first bicycle 1.5 years ago. And they're good there. They have fair prices. Once you know your way around, like anything, you negotiate a price. But I had tried to get some bigger, wider tyres in Da Nang. 35s. Now the tyre size is 700 by 32, and I wanted a slightly softer ride for in the rough. So you can get 38s and 35s, and for some reason I thought, 35. Well, I couldn't get any. There was none of, the places I knew of didn't have any. So I come to Hoi An here March 10th. And as I say, just a few days ago, I got a flatty because the tyres that were on here, the 32s, were worn out anyway. So I went to this guy that I'm going to now, and I just said, "Oh, gee, can I put on any 35s or 38s?" But he said, "Oh, no have, don't have any." "Ah, no problem. Chuck on some 32s. That's 32 millimeters wide we're talking about." You come back with some 35s, which is bloody good. Threw them on and jumped on the grab taxi with the tyres, come back, and she's all good, and new tubes as well. Now he looked after me with the price because I was being quoted for 2 tyres in 2 different places in Da Nang, and he did the same price for or slightly less even, including 2 tubes. So that's good. So we're off to see him again, and I know that the derailleur, look out mate, isn't working properly. So I'm going to go to him and get him to check the cassette. That's the gears, the seven gears on the back. It's called a cassette, as I've learnt, and the chain. And you know, I trust him enough to tell me if it's still okay or it needs replacing. They're not expensive. You know, I'm hooked into this bike for 6 million now anyway. You know, so whatever it takes. I'll just run you off the road here, no problem. And get them to check the gears, reset them, because it doesn't feel right either. And the last thing I want to do is for them to overshift into the spokes of the wheel. Right, run out of petrol. No problem on this one, mate. Push it all day. And then I know where I stand as well, because every time I go out for a scoot, for a ride, I'm thinking there's something wrong, and there may or may not be, so we'll get him to have a look at that, and I'll get my dong out again for him. I went out for a ride last night, and on this corner here, I was on the other side of the road and somebody come around and fronted me. Hit me front, or they didn't hit me front on, but the guy was totally on the other side of the road. Not looking, of course. So my tries are a bit sore, my triceps. I've been smashing my arms in the gym. And I'll get over here. I'm turning left here. So leaning down on this, these handlebars hurts my arms, hurts my triceps. Because they're recovering at the moment, so. I'm also going to get another handlebar for this. Now this is a Merida, a Japanese bike. Everyone that sees it reckons, oh, good bike, good bike. So even the handlebar on it is high quality. Original handlebar. I can tell it's good. But I'll get another one that's you know, it's like a bullhorn, where on both sides there's a curve and they raise up, so I'm not leaning down as far. You know, a bit poofterish, but it'll take the strain off my arms and just allow me to sit a bit more upright, because I'm only putting around the city or the town here, and you know, I'll be going to Da Nang soon for fun, you know, just to push myself, test myself. I want to ride up there. It's about 30 kilometres from where I am to the beach. The guy I know, if you're watching, Paul the pilot, I'll wait till he comes back and I'll go up and see him for a visit. And Andy, mate, go and see Andy at Moon Cafe, where Knock, some of you might remember Knock and his wife, family, have Moon Cafe. He's the guy that I gifted a poem, wrote a poem and gave it to him. He proudly displays that on his wall there. Good on him. And you know, I'll take the spare handlebar with me, because over that distance I'll find maybe I need to be leaning down a bit more. I don't know. So I'm back on a bike. That's going to be good for my legs. You know, they'll adapt quick enough. Now with the gym, I'll do a gym vid soon, but I hit 15,000 today, a total of 15,100 with a week to spare in the month, on the 60,000 rep quest for the year. 5,000 a month times 12 is 60,000. So we're up to 15 already. And that's not that's an average of 165 a day, and I don't go every day. At most 4 days a week. Look at this, bang, bang. Actually, there's a bike shop there that I know of too, but I'll go to this guy that I know. I want to give him any business I can. Yeah, so we're on track there, and you know, I'm not getting any bigger or anything like that. You know, I've got age and against me, and recovery against me, and sleep against me. I eat good enough. The thing is, I stay up late. Night time has always been my time out. Even when I was working, I would stay up late. And of course sleep in too. This morning, Wayne, you'll be watching this, Wayne, in Hill Park. I got a text from you at 5:30. That's your 11:30. It's early, mate. You wake me up. Wake me up. Okay, I'll let him go. Give him a nod. So yeah, I got up. I stayed up. Hit the gym at 10. I've got my Vietnam coffee drip cup, large size. So I hooked into that at 7 a.m. and sparked myself up and then hit the gym. So just to give you an idea, what I did today to get to the 15,000 was I was in the mood. So it was I did 500 reps, 230 combined lat pull seated row, cable seated row and machine seated row, unilateral, bilateral. So smash those out. 170 machine shoulder press, also bilateral, which means unilateral is just one lever, bilateral is two, so you have a lever either side for either arm or either shoulder in this case. What's that? That was 400, and then 100 bicep curl. But I'm still suffering from the triceps 2 days ago. Okay, we're away. And this guy's just down here, not far. So that hasn't taken long. I'll pull over to the right, only to get out of everyone's way. Because quite often the youngies are all scooting up the road, 2 bikes, sometimes 3 bikes aside, yapping away to each other. And if they come up behind me and they just happen to be not looking, I'm going to get taken out. I've seen a few close ones like that. Well, this is where I used to come to another gym, down this road on my right here. There's a honky on the bike there. Now this guy, he's not selling ice creams here. He'd be on his way to a corner site or footpath site that is claimed, I would say. Yeah. Oh, yep, we're nearly there. I've only found one toy, a bit disappointing. I have found some money. So the old toy collection's off to a bit of a slow start for the year. Don't do it, mate, don't do it. See what I mean? No problem. No problem. Fuck everyone else. Okay, we're here. I'll get the old phone out so I can translate to this guy. Translate to this guy here. He's looking at me a bit worried, and I've given him the thumbs up. No, the tyres are all right, mate. Okay. What do we got here? English to Vietnamese. Hello, brother. Can you check my gears at the back wheel to make sure that they're okay? Maybe go for a ride on the bike and see how they feel. And I'll do that again, actually. Hello, sir. Can you check my back gears to make sure they are working okay? As I'm thinking what to say, because I'll try and get it all in one question. Maybe he needs to adjust for me. Hello, sir. The tyres are good. Can you check the back gears and maybe you can adjust for me to make work properly? Xin chào em.
What? Có chia không?
Okay, sir. Not true.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I can wait for you. Okay, so that's that taken care of. Now, what can I show you here? Not a lot. There's Crazy Corner. I'll show you a Crazy Corner here. There we go. See what you can see there. See what happens if anything. I'll let you watch that for a moment. I should get in the shade. I'm standing in the bloody sun, it's hot. See, there's no arrows here. When you get a green light to go forward, it means you can turn left, you can turn as well, and so that means you're going to turn in front of oncoming traffic every time. So it's first in, first serve, and I've seen a number of people get taken out on their front wheel, big time. I'll slap a picture up with this one.
Mấy người chỉ về đúng đủ mà Thái ông là hung kho.
Okay, I'll turn this off and turn it back on soon. Here he is, he's halfway through. Yeah, yeah, but not. Yeah, I sort of. Yeah, but. Oh, good, excellent. He's going for a ride. He's got to throw his leg over like I did. Off he goes. There he goes. That's exactly what I wanted him to do. There's the crew here. This is the workshop. Now he's got a big. All his bikes are sold across the road there in a shop. And this is his workshop here. Okay. Me?
Yes.
Okay, looking. Good man.
Mô tô á. Ủa đấy nè, em gửi đó.
Yeah, all right, yep. Yeah, I'm giving the gears a test. Shit, something felt a bit funny there. You know, I think he's got it. I think he's got it. I think he's got it. Yeah, that feels good. Oops, here I come. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Better.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hang on, mate, I'll give you some money. No, I'm not. He's saying you can go now, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pay the guy. I've got to pay him. I've got to pay him. Oh, hang on.
No money.
Nah, come on.
No.
Yeah. Money.
No.
No, come on, brother.
No.
Beer.
No beer.
Same, no beer. Same me, no beer, yeah. Beer. Yeah, the boys are going beer. Yeah, the boys are going beer. Hang on. No, he's buying some raffle tickets. I want to tell him. Hello, here comes trouble. Yeah, good. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, okay. Good. And me.
Bye.
No. No. Here. You won't take any money. Hang on, I just want to do one more thing here. I played around with the screws at the back, but you think is okay? Okay. Thank you, sir. Good man.
Quay. Túi nhé.
There you go. I told you he's a good bugger.
Đi dạ này làm chứ hả?
Yeah, I spent 720 dong with him a few days ago, and that's the result. Now he's just gone over to the shop where I want to go, to his main shop. So we'll get back on the scoot again. I'll take you for a spin. Here we go, we're going for a spin. I'll just get set up here. Right. Now I want to go and have a look at what handlebars they've got. See what I mean? They can turn into each other. Yeah, you see? You see? That's how it rolls. So shit happens. And don't worry about all the healy-feely, neary-theories on YouTube saying everything's fine here. There's no, you know, it doesn't happen. It does happen all the time. I've seen it. So this is his sales shop here. Oh, better not pull up. You're not allowed to park in front of other people's shops here. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm looking for handlebars. I'm looking for handlebars. Sister! Yeah, just a little bit. You must have. I know you've got them. Sometimes they say, I've experienced going into places, have you got this? And particularly if they're sitting down and it's around midday, no, we don't have it. Because we don't want to have a look. Oh man, the place is all stocked out. Now this is what I want here. Now you can't see it, but I can. I found the bar I want. Yeah, I see them all over the place. Yeah, it's just got a slight rise in it to make it comfortable for me, as explained. Might go on about it. I'm having a quick look because I might just see something. You have same? It's good. I've got to push my way a bit.
Oh.
Yeah. They're cheap enough just to try it and throw it away if there isn't one. If it doesn't work.
Đây Việt gọi đây.
Dạ.
Cái gọi đây.
Của Trung Quốc anh.
I'm a little bit surprised. I thought they would have been.
No.
No have. No. Oh, I am surprised. There's probably 5.
Here. Very expensive.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Only. Việt Nam này anh này. Là Asama bây giờ còn của Cam.
I don't know if she said expensive. Did you say expensive?
Did you say?
Maybe here. Yeah. Because for here. You know. Looking. Yeah. I'll have a look. I've got one here. We've got one here. It's just to go on the front, just to give me a little bit more elevation, but you know, it just might be enough. It just might be enough. And I could probably I could probably bend these up a bit anyway, but it's hard to. Yeah, they pull back a bit. They pull back a bit. I'm not sure if I could probably put it about there. It's probably worth a go, and they're just a bit wider as well, which might be a good idea. I might just buy these and give them a go. I'll give you a shot at the traffic here. Yeah, they pull back a little bit, which just might get me. I'll give it a go, because I'm going to bend those up a bit more to suit. To suit me. Actually, if I turn them around the other way, oh no, that's no good. Okay. Either that or yeah, let's give it a go anyway. Oh, money. Because it's another 50 millimeters, and that could make all the difference. 50 mil could make the difference. Okay.
What better?
I can try.
Yeah.
I can try.
Why a mini?
Yeah, sure.
I check right. Lớp này dạ bà đây giùm em lên cái kém bánh cái cổ mặt cái hầu cổ bó thoải mái cổ phải ao ra.
He just he just fixed bike for me. $200.
Oh, because
Because?
Because here, very good.
This good one.
Yeah.
Same.
Same. Yeah, because very good. 2,600,000.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay for you. Because just fixing for me the gear. fixing for me. You don't understand. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Here for you.
My husband.
Yeah.
Your husband.
No,
My husband.
You're not my husband. Your husband. Fixing now.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So you,
Nào đừng see you nữa. No see you.
yeah, you see me.
See your husband. My husband.
No, I can do. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Well, that cost me. So they got me anyway. But that's cool because it's even a little bit wider, and I can bend these up a bit. So I'll have a play with that. Could make the difference. Now I've got to make sure the bloody thing doesn't drop out on me on the way back now. Oh, bending down too far. Having trouble bending down. Well, that'll be in the way of the seat. I don't want it in the way of the seat. Now, here's my rear light that I put around here in the daytime. So that no one pinches it off the back here. I think if that should do, shouldn't it? It's going to flick up and hit me in the arse. Probably. That's not going to come out. So we're going to go back now. Spinning. Spinning around again. I just want to go over and the traffic again. Where is he? Is he gone? Oh bugger, he's gone. Oh, never mind. I'll see him another day. Shit, now I've got to get over to the other side of the road again. More fun. Okay. meant to check out a gym while I was here. I want to have a look at a gym while I'm here. Take it for a trip. I heard there's a gym down here somewhere. Oh, here we go here. Here we go here. Yeah, I've got traffic coming at me from all over the place here. Okay. Now, is it going to fall over? Yes, it is. Just check that out for a moment.